In this video, we will show you how to identify and install drawer glides using our color-coded system. Blue for left, red for right. Our finished product in this case is a 6-drawer dresser, but you can use these steps for many of our dressers, chests, and nightstands. Let's start by identifying the hardware. The drawer glides are packaged in a set of 4. 2 for the left side, identified with blue wheels, 2 for the right side, identified with red wheels. In each set there is a cabinet glide, which is attached to the cabinet side, and a drawer glide, which is attached to the drawer side. Let's identify the cabinet glides. CL for cabinet left and CR for cabinet right. Now let's identify the drawer glides. DL for drawer left and DR for drawer right. First, let's attach the cabinet glides to the cabinet sides. We have already inserted the large cams and connecting bolts. If your dresser has spacers like the one shown, refer to your instructions and attach them first. With our dresser, we will attach them directly to the cabinet side. Lay out the cabinet side. Place the left cabinet glide with a blue wheel and marked CL for cabinet left, so that the wheel is positioned towards the front cabinet edge and the bottom of the side. Refer to your assembly instructions to identify the front edge. Repeat this for the right cabinet side. When you are facing the finished dresser, blue is on your left, red is on your right. Attach glides to drawer sides. Lay out the drawer sides as shown, with the inner sides facing down. You can identify the inner side by the groove for the drawer bottom. Note the left and right drawer side indicators on the front edge of the drawer side. They are marked in blue and red to match the drawer glides. Take the left drawer glide with the blue wheel and marked DL for drawer left. Attach it to the left drawer side, making sure that the wheel is toward the top and back of the drawer side. Attach glides with Euro screws. Repeat this for the right drawer glide with the red wheel and marked DR for drawer right. Attach to the right drawer side, making sure that the wheel is toward the top and back of the drawer side. Inserting the drawers. To insert the drawer, hold it at an angle and position it against the cabinet glides so that the wheels touch. Then close the drawers fully. Once the drawers are mounted, you'll notice that when you pull the drawer forward, the safety mechanism stops it from coming all the way out. To remove the drawers, simply lift them up so they are no longer on the glides.